Hi everyone. I just got these in. They're from Amazon and they're copper. At least the label part is. And I've been wanting a stainless steel or copper based material labels. I've tried the wood ones. I've tried so many and it's really hard when the sun is just heavy on the garden. I mean, it's great for the garden, but not so much for the labels. But these had really great reviews and they are very affordable. It came in a decent sized pack too. So these are a great starter label. Like I still have these, so I may get another pack. I want to see how this one goes, so before I label it. And then I'm not going to label everything, like the lettuce I'm not going to label, but certain tomatoes I want to label for sure. This one I want to label. And I'm trying to alleviate as much plastic in this garden. The only thing that's plastic are the labels. So I know it's not a huge deal breaker, but for me, if you're like me and you don't want plastic in your garden, having these copper label stainless steel labels are really great. And I like that they're kind of hidden, but then they're also there to serve their purpose of, letting you know, reminding you of what you have growing. It's also especially helpful for my husband because he's not always aware he can't distinguish like herbs, like parsley and cilantro, which I get. It's hard for a lot of people to kind of distinguish those types of herbs. They look so similar. So having these are really great to have because sometimes I do ask him while I'm cooking or in the thick of it, like, hey, can you go grab me some cilantro or whatever the case is. So these are great just to remind yourself of what type of basil you're growing. And also I love it because I have a variety of basils and I want to see which one grows great in the garden. Do they all grow great or does one grow better than the other? That way I know how to move forward in the garden and I keep learning what works best with the garden and what grows best. So this is a sweet Italian basil. I have a basil Italian that's a large leaf one. So there's so many reasons why labels come in handy. But again, I really love these and they're long too. They're pretty long, so they can go pretty deep. Or you can just have them out sticking, just so it's kind of like a, hey, this is what I am type of thing. I also forgot to share that it comes with a permanent marker. So that's great too, because it writes just like a Sharpie. I don't know if it is a Sharpie. I guess that's the number 113. But yeah, it comes with a marker too. So that's really great.